Biodiversity. No doubt you've heard of it, but what is it? And why is it so important to us at Aggregate Industries? Biodiversity is the measure of how many different life forms are found within a given ecosystem. Essentially, how healthy that ecosystem is. Biodiversity matters for a whole variety of reasons. It provides the source for an enormous range of products we consume and use. We gain enjoyment, recreation, and learning from it. We depend on it to live, more than you might think. If the ecological system that supports life on Earth collapsed or radically changed, our existence would change substantially. Because biodiversity is so fundamentally important to society, Aggregate Industries has a responsibility to manage the large areas of land we own in a way that makes a contribution to landscape-scale conservation. As well as being environmentally responsible, this also makes a positive contribution to the communities in which we operate and means we meet government planning policy, both of which are vital to retaining our license to operate. Quarries present a unique opportunity to create new and upgraded habitats through schemes for both extraction and restoration. We are proud to be a leader within our sector in combining wider landscape scale management for biodiversity with a long-term strategy for minerals. In 2002, we were the first company in the construction sector to develop a company-wide biodiversity action plan in partnership with the Wildlife Trusts. They are the largest voluntary organisation in the UK dedicated to protecting wildlife. We've been working with the trusts ever since and now have relationships across the UK. Over recent years, our support of the Wildlife Trust's Breathing Places and Living Landscapes campaigns has exceeded all targets. We have invested significantly in key locations such as the Mendips, Charnwood Forest and Scotland to support our key operations at Tor, Barden Hill and Glen Sander. Our ongoing partnership with the Leicester and Rutland Wildlife Trust on the Charnwood Forest Living Landscapes project has been a huge success. Our work with the Trust in this key strategic location played an important role in the approval of the Barden Hill planning application. A number of our sites have led the way in gaining the Biodiversity Benchmark, a Wildlife Trust's accreditation, which ensures our impact on the landscape is as positive as it can be. In 2011, Aggregate Industries and the Wildlife Trusts launched the Leadership Awards. These awards recognise outstanding individual achievement within landscape-scale conservation. The award winners are the people who will lead our organisations in biodiversity now and in the future. Our long-term commitment to quarrying, biodiversity and sustainable development forms an important part of our sustainability strategy. It sets us apart from our competitors. Biodiversity is a shared responsibility. Looking after and improving the landscape on which we operate is not a tick-box exercise. It is simply the way we do business, and it delivers benefits to us all.